Let's talk about the hinge regions of the antibodies for step 1. 40-year-old man, recurrent respiratory infections, encapsulated bacteria. All that stuff is coming at him. Low serum IgA levels. One more mistake and I'm restarting this video. Further analysis of his immunoglobulin structure shows that his IgA molecules have a short or absent hinge. What does the hinge do? Okay, not the dating app. What does Hinge do? Okay, Hinge, if you look at the antibody here, I'll go ahead and paste this photo. Boom. That's the hinge, right? So what does this hinge do? Your medical career depends on it. Well, have you ever heard of the term avidity? That's extreme eagerness or enthusiasm. But in the context of this antibody, avidity means the overall binding strength of the antibody. So if the Fab arms can move freely, they'll attach to multiple binding sites, right? Attach here, attach there, attach here, right? And that happens because I have a hinge, right? It's my abdomen. See how I can move around and I can kind of grab onto different things? That increases my avidity. So antibodies with long hinge regions like IgA, G1, IgG3, they have high avidity. But long hinge regions also make the antibodies more vulnerable to bacterial proteases, which can easily destroy them. So IgA protease from Neisseria and strep pneumonia, influenza, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So long hinge regions just make them vulnerable to bacterial processes and proteases. Okay, here we go. What's the answer? Is it A, antigen binding affinity? No. Affinity is the strength of a single FAB region. All right, it's like a lock and a key. Okay, so it's just the same key, so same amino acid sequence. Yeah, so that's not going to change. Immunoglobulin polymerization. Well, IgA forms dimers, and IgM forms pentamers using a J chain. So not even the hinge region. Avidity. That's the correct answer. We talked about it. FC region binding to the immune cells. Well, the FC region, not the hinge region, determines the binding to immune cells like macrophages, natural killer cells, and there's one more, neutrophils. Complement activation, no, FC region, especially the CH2 domain of IgG and IgM, not the hinge region. So the hinge region increases FAB flexibility, allowing for better antigen binding and higher avidity. All right, and so IgG, IgA, and IgD, the weird one we never talk about, have hinge regions, and M and E don't. So bacterial proteases, like the protease from Neisseria, IgA, can break antibodies with long hinges. Okay, hopefully this was helpful. If it was, then go ahead and like and subscribe and download Hinge.